Pragmahal is named as PRAGMALJI too, who commissioned the project and construction began in 1865. It was designed by Colonel Henry St. Wilkins in Italian Gothic style. The construction of the palace was completed in 1879 at the cost of 31 lakhs of rupees at the time. The palace was damaged in 2001 earthquake, but most of it repaired now and open for public viewing. Aina Mahal, which means the Palace of Mirrors. It was a residential palace of the king of Bhuj, built by Rao Lakhpati-ji around 1750. The chief architect and designer of the palace was Ram Singh Malang. It was designed in local style and decorated in the European style.